This is a solar animal repellent product using infrared sensing, targeting different animals. It has 5 adjustment modes. The sensing distance is 6 to 8 meters. The sensing angle is 110 degrees. Ultrasonic distance 15 meters. Sensing angle 170 degrees. Solar panel rechargeable. USB charging is also available.